Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So this is Beijing International Airport, and this is T2, which is an old airport, and there is so much memory of this place. I used to do business travel, and waiting here for hours to go to my destination. So today I am going to Paris. Hello.
Oh, hi, beautiful.
And this is the first time I arrived with such beautiful airport. Paris, the French, they are famous for being themselves. And I think the Olympic game, the preparation for Olympic game really put a new face, a new spirit and new appearance of the city. I like it. So I am on my next leg, and I was just wandering there. I was thinking maybe I should do this video when I reach to my destination, but at the same time something happened, made me decide wherever I am, however I can, I will do it right here, right now. And who knows what will happen? Who knows if I will miss a leg of a plane? So I fly from Beijing to Paris, one city, two cities, and Paris to Milan, three cities, Milan to Napoli, four cities, within a span of let's say 15, 16, 17 hours span. So I better take care of it. So I arrived at Milan and a little bit exhausted. So this is Milan Airport, and I am still here waiting for my next leg. I went to the restroom to do a little teeny tiny little bit makeup, and when I come back, the panel flying to Napoli changed into Amsterdam. I was scared to death. I run to the gate. The gate is already closed. Was I too late to miss it? So I run to a police of the airport, and he showed me. I know very exactly my flight should be much later. How can it be so fast? Anyway, I checked again. The airport gate changed. When I went to the restroom to do my little makeup, oh, that is such a scary moment. Here I am again. I am sorry if you cannot hear me. I put my microphone very close to my mouth. So here I am again at the airport, back to the right gate, in front of the name Napoli. This is before makeup. I look tired, oily face, overnight, and so I went to do a makeup, and as a respect to the city or to my day. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye. From Napoli. From Milan now.